Heygen, your AI avatar creator. Let's illustrate how to use Heygen to create and customize AI avatars for your videos step by step with an example. I would not want to take a lot of your time because I would say that even though Heygen does a very good job at creating your avatars and creating some videos, but it's not yet perfect like any of the other AI tools. It's not yet perfect, and yes, but still, it's good to use. If you are somebody who wants to use AI, explore AI, and showcase to the world that you are updated and know AI, Heygen is that perfect tool for that. Scenario. Let's say you are a nutritionist. I won't use this scenario. You want to use an AI avatar to present the information in engaging you. Sign up and access Heygen for this. So this is how the Heygen dashboard looks like. You can simply go in and sign up for it. Create videos for every team, and all the features that Heygen has to offer is shown here very precisely. You see, these are the avatars and these are the videos that Heygen can create. You have AI voices, you have AI videos, you have the option to scale using the APIs, you can generate scripts, and these are all the videos created by Heygen. Okay, so that was all about Heygen. Let's quickly sign up for Heygen and see what we see. So I use one of my accounts to sign up, and that's the dashboard you would end up getting to once you sign up. This is an intro from the Heygen's CEO, I believe. You'll be asked a few questions: who you want to use it for, what best describes your profession, and so on. Okay, next step, and next step. We submit it. Great. Now this is our final dashboard where we would be starting to create the avatars. So these are the pricings. The free version, again, I would say, is very limited in terms of features. You cannot be utilizing Heygen if you are on the free version. It's very basic and it's not up to the mark. You have to be on the creator or the team version. So if you are an individual creator, it's good. So create or choose an avatar. Instant avatar. There are two different types of avatars that you can create: instant and custom. The fastest option, ideal for quick videos, is to choose from a variety of pre-made avatars and customize their appearance like clothing, hairstyle, and accessories, something that best resonates with you. Custom avatar is a far more professional, personalized touch. Upload a photo of yourself or someone else. Heygen's AI will create an avatar based on the image. So let's see. We start for customizing the appearance. Select your avatar and click on customize. We can adjust various aspects of the avatar's appearance, such as clothing, hairstyle, skin tone, facial accessories, and accessories. Select or generate a video. Heygen offers a library of pre-recorded videos in different languages and accents. Alternatively, you can use the voice clone feature to generate a voice that sounds like you. Yeah, all of these features are really amazing, but you only get to see when you are on the pro feature. So, but since we are using the free version right here, we might not be able to show you all of this. But if you go to YouTube, you will find a lot of videos utilizing this. So input your script, paste your video script into the text box provided. Heygen's AI will automatically generate a video of your avatar speaking the script. Let's try it. It might not be turning out to be the more perfect video, but let's give it a try. So here I have added a video template. I deleted everything and then I will add my image over here, the image that I added to the avatar. Let's see. I added the script. I took the script from this script in the last video, so I just copy paste that script over here. This is too big. Let's make it a bit shorter. So we have the script over here. The voice setting, the pitch, the volume, you have ChatGPT as the option. So this is the library of different AI voices that you can use in the free version. You go to avatar, select the avatar that I had added. So that's me. But when you are creating your avatar, your face has to be in the front. It means it has to be facing the audience straight. You see, in this particular image of mine, I am a bit sideways, and that is why the AI won't convert it really well. You'll see in a moment what it does. Okay. These are the different options that we have here on the screen. Okay, so I got it. So since we are on the free version, I'm unable to make that script work. But what I'm doing is I am updating a MP3 file that I have from the podcast that I had downloaded. So I'm uploading that, and I will maybe making this particular avatar image speak the audio file that I just uploaded. And I would say that this is just the 1% or 2% of Heygen's capability. 98% of the capability is hidden and can be experienced once you are on the pro version of it. So we delete the script that we had. Let's remove it, and now let's see. We have it added, but the problem is that you would not get a preview of whatever is happening until you submit the video. So let us first submit the video. Okay, we reduce the size because the video is not as much, so we reduce it to the size of the audio file that we have uploaded. Because also the free version does not have a 3-minute video capacity, so we are reducing it to about 20 seconds or 30 seconds so that we are able to submit it and see what the results are. Okay, we are now at 17 seconds or 20 seconds. Okay, and now we do a preview. But now if I do a preview, it would only recite the audio. I have to submit it to actually, you see, it shows the overall script duration exceeds overall duration, so there must be some audio or something that I'm okay. Now I do a submit anyway, and Heygen creates, let's see, it is queued 995 in line. You can upgrade to skip the line. %8 ready. Okay, so by the time Heygen processes the video, let's understand. If you want to add more personality to your avatar, you can adjust its facial expression to match the tone of your script. For example, you can make the avatar smile, frown, or nod its head at specific points in the video. So for this, I think it's better that you go to the Heygen tutorials that are much more detailed, much more specific, because this is not a Heygen tutorial, right? This is about more of telling you the tools that you can use for different kind of things. Preview the generated video to ensure it meets your expectations. Make any necessary adjustments to the script, appearance, or expressions. Once you're satisfied, click on generate to create the final video. So let's see. And I play it. So that's, I said you, this is not the best version of how it works. This can be improved, customized. So like ChatGPT, it might not give you the best result the first time, but if you refine the inputs, if you reiterate a number of times, you would end up getting something that you exactly want. So most of the features are available for paid users only, and which is why we are not able to do a lot of things over here. And now I can just download it. Additional tips that I have for you on this is experiment with different avatars and voices. Try out different combinations to find the perfect fit for your brand and message. Keep your script concise. Heygen works best with shorter scripts. Break down complex topics into smaller chunks for easier digestion. Use high quality images if you're creating a custom avatar. Use a high resolution photo with good lighting for optimal results. Heygen offers templates for various use cases such as product demos, educational videos, and social media ads. So that was Heygen, and it's an amazing tool. You must use it, you must try it, and you will find the amazing benefits that it has to offer. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day.